Need to buy a high chair for your baby, but not sure which model to choose? Thinking about this, I have selected the 4 best high chairs to help you choose the best option. So watch this video until the end to find out which model is ideal and offers the best value for money. The links to all the products mentioned and with the lowest price will be in the description below the video. And if you are not going to buy at this time, just add the chosen product to your shopping cart on the website to get the lowest price at the time of purchase. Starting in 4th place, we have the Maxi-Cosi Minla 6-in-1 high chair. With its neutral-coloured upholstery and wood-style finish, it exudes a modern and sophisticated look while maintaining the high quality expected from Maxi-Cosi products. Suitable for use from birth up to approximately 30 kilos, the Minla will be your companion for a long time, whether you're feeding your baby or providing a seat for them to watch cartoons. The Maxi-Cosi Minla 6-in-1 high chair is a versatile, stylish and safe option that will grow with your child from infancy to toddlerhood. Its multifunctional design and adjustable features make it a valuable addition to any family with young children. In 3rd place, we have the Perego Siesta high chair, lightweight and multifunctional. The Perego high chair is one of the only high chairs that can be used from birth thanks to its full recline. 7 height positions allow the high chair to grow with your child, and a double removable tray allows your little one to join the rest of the family at the dinner table. During the first few months, it is a comfortable reclining chair. As the baby grows, it can be used as a high chair for feeding and playing. The recline can help when the baby falls asleep while feeding, for example. This means you don't have to take them out of the chair. The removable tray and different height settings allow your baby to sit at the table with you. In 2nd place, Keekaroo Height Right High Chair. This high chair is made from wood, making it super easy to clean. It's also fully adjustable and comfortable for children of all ages. With its triple safety combination, you can rest assured that your child is safe and secure. The safety harness, safety bar, and removable tray work together to provide maximum protection. The tray can also be used for eating or playing, making it a versatile piece of furniture. And when your child grows up, the safety harness and bar can be removed to transform the high chair into a regular chair with a backrest. In the 1st place, we have Inglesina Fast Table Chair, perfect for use at home, on the go, and even in restaurants. Comfortable thanks to its high backrest and generous padding. Suitable for almost all tables, it can be fitted to tables up to 8.5 cm thick. It is very compact when folded and comes with a carrying bag, so the Fast can be taken anywhere quickly and easily. It comes with a storage pocket to keep everything your baby needs close at hand. I hope this video helped you pick the perfect high chair. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.